Divide 8,341 divided by 19. In this case, we have the two-digit divisor, and we're trying to divide that from 8,341, which is 4 digits. So what we do is we try to see how many times 19 goes into 83. So I'm going to guess 4. I'll write 4 above the 83. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I'm going to go off to the side and find out what 19 times 4 is, because that's going to be the next step. So 4 times 9 is 36. Write out your 6, carry the 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So we get 76. Now we subtract. 83 minus 76 is 7. Drop down the next number, which is 4, and repeat the process. How many times does 19 go into 74? Well, if 19 times 4 is 76, then I'm going to write out 3, because 74 is a little bit less than 76. So let me put a 3 up here. And I'm going to go up here and do 3 times 19, because that's another tricky one. So 3 times 19. Because I'm going to do 3 times 19 to write that number under here. 3 times 9 is 27, so write out your 7, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, so you become 57. Now we subtract. Okay, so 4 minus 7 can't do it. Let's borrow from you, make you a 6, borrow the 1. 14 minus 7 is 7, and then 6 minus 5 is 1. And then we drop down that final number, which is going to be 1. So 19 is going to go into 171. I forgot to write it down. 171, I'm going to guess 9 times. And again, ugly, terrible number. So let's go over here and try to figure out what 19 times 9 is. 9 times 9 is 81, so write out your 1, carry the 8. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. So we get 171, which is good, because when we subtract, we get 0, and there's no more numbers to bring down. So if that's the case, we're done. We have our answer, and our answer is 439.